We will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of clear cache on the application of Telegram. We will go to settings. Then in this page we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page here you will search about the application of Telegram and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will go to first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. Then you will go to Play Store. You will search about the application of Telegram. And here you can enhance clear app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your watching.